Peace, blessings, and love, family. This is Elder Rasan Shakur out of the great city of New Orleans, Louisiana, coming to you with another great and informative video. Peace, blessings, and love to our melanated family and mankind. But family, this video is going to be about the Amazon rainforest, one of the greatest, maybe one of the 8 wonders of the world, that is on fire right now by these arc beams. That's right, they burning it down so they can raise their chickens, their pigs, and their hogs, and their cows, flesh-eating people, destroying one of the greatest wonders on this planet for money and material gain. These people ain't nothing but destroyers. Everywhere they go, they just destroy. They got this president of Brazil, he's another Donald Trump. He's over there doing this shit, this evil act. And you got a lot of Native Americans over there that's being pushed out of their own land. Because these Portuguese and these Spanish, French, these Englishmen, Germans, they went all over the planet, just taking other people's land, killing all the nature, killing all the medicine, all the herbs over there for their chickens and their cows and their pigs. That's what they're doing it for money, material gain. These arc beams must be destroyed. They got to get off this planet. They got to get off our planet, because they ain't nothing but total destruction to this whole planet. Everywhere they go is nothing but genocide to nature, to the animals. Look at all the exotic animals that are being killed over there because of these devils want to raise their flesh and their blood, killing animals to eat, to consume. That's the reason the Amazon rainforest is on fire, because of greed from these arc beams, from these devastating creatures, parasites. That's right, family. But family, let me know how y'all feel about the Amazon rainforest and why these, and not why, I didn't already explain why, but why they do so much evil. Evil is their nature, must be. Destroying is their nature. And I'm out. Peace and blessings.